Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we shall learn construction 11.5 standard 9th chapter number 11 constructions subject mathematics. In this construction 11.5 let us learn how to construct a triangle given its base, a base angle and the difference of the other two sides. For this construction 11.5 I have taken one example. Construct a triangle ABC where BC is equal to 7 cm. So this is base and angle B is equal to 40 degree and this is base angle, and the difference of the other two sides are AB minus AC is equal to 4 cm. For this construction 11.5 there are two cases. First case is when AB is greater than AC and the second case is when AB is less than AC. So for this construction 11.5 I have taken one example. Construct a triangle ABC where BC is equal to 7 cm. So this is base BC. Angle B is equal to 40 degree. This is base angle. And AB minus AC is equal to 4 cm. So this is the difference of the other two sides. So for this let us draw one rough sketch here like this. So base is BC. So this is base BC and angle B is equal to 40 degree. Let us take this angle B as 40 degree and this is E. For this construction, first step you have to draw base BC is equal to 7 cm. So this is 0 and this is 7. Join these 2 points. So this point name is B and this is C and this distance is 7 cm. Then second step, draw an angle 40 degree at point B. So this is point B. So here you have to draw an angle of 40 degree. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. This is point is 40. Next you have to extend this ray like this and you name this angle XBC is equal to 40 degree. Next step, cut the line segment BD as 4 cm. So this is by using scale you have to take the distance of 4 cm as BD length and you have to mark like this. So this point name is D, which is equal to AB minus AC from the BX. Then next step is you have to join these 2 points D and C. Next, draw the perpendicular bisector of this DC. So for this you have to take the distance more than half here like this. So this is full distance DC. More than half means up to here you have to take like this and draw one arc like this and one more arc here from point C, and from point D one arc like this, and at point here also one more arc. Now extend this bisector line up to here like this. So this point is A and you have to join these 2 points A and C. So this is required triangle A, B, C. Let us verify this AB minus AC is equal to 4 cm, which is AB is greater than AC. First, measure this distance of AB. So this is 13.3. So AB is equal to 13.3. Then you have to measure AC. So AC is 9.3. AC is equal to 9.3. If we subtract this, we will get 3 minus 3 is 0. 13 minus 9 is 4. 4.0 means AB is 13.3, which is greater than AC is 9.3. So we got here AB distance is 13.3 minus AC is 9.3. So if we subtract this 13.3 minus 9.3, we get 4 centimeter. Steps of this construction. First step is draw base BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Then second, draw angle B is equal to 40 degree. Let the ray be BX. And the third step, cut the line segment BD equal to AB minus AC from ray BX. Then next step, you have to join these 2 points D and C. The next, draw the perpendicular bisector of DC, and this perpendicular bisector, this is the perpendicular bisector, and you have to extend till here. Let it intersect BX at point A, and then you have to join this A and C. So this is required triangle ABC. Now let us take second case for this construction 11.5. So second case is what? Consider triangle ABC where BC is equal to 7 cm. Base I have taken same as it is. For first case I have taken BC is equal to 7 cm, and for second case also I have taken base BC is equal to 7 cm. And angles also I have taken same. For first case I have taken angle B is equal to 40 degree, and for second case also I have taken angle B is equal to 40 degree. But difference in the first case, AB minus AC is equal to 4 centimeter, which was AB greater than AC. And for second case, AC is greater than AB is equal to 4 centimeter. For first case, try to understand here. This point is very important here. AB is greater than AC means here AB distance we got 13.3 and AC distance was 9.3. So this means AB is greater than AC. If you get example like this, AB is greater than AC, you have to draw this AB minus AC is equal to 4 centimeter above this base BC, means you have to draw this 4 centimeter here. If it is AC is greater than AB, then you have to draw this 4 centimeter below the base BC, means down you have to draw this 4 centimeter. Let us learn this second case here. So this is the second case. For this second case, let us draw one rough sketch here like this. So base I have taken same as it is BC, and angle B is equal to 40 degree. So angle B is equal to 40 degree and base is 7 centimeter BC. And the second case, what is there here? AB is less than AC, means AC is greater than AB. First step for this second case is you have to draw base BC is equal to 7 centimeters. So this is 0 and this is 7, and join these 2 points. So this is B and this is C, and distance is 7 centimeter. Second step is at point B you have to draw an angle of 40 degree. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. This is 40. So this is angle 40 degree and this ray is BX. So next step, for first case we have drawn this AB minus AC is equal to 4 centimeter above the base BC. For this case AC minus AB is equal to 4 centimeter means AC is greater than AB or AB is less than AC. If such case, next step, cut the line segment BD equal to AC minus AB is equal to 4 centimeter, and for this you have to keep scale like this and BD distance you have to take 4 centimeter. So let us consider this 9 as 0. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So up to here. So this point name is D and this is 4 centimeter. Then next you have to join these 2 points D and C like this. Then next step is you have to draw perpendicular bisector of this DC. So by taking distance more than half and draw one arc like this. This is second arc, and from point C draw arc like this. These two arcs are not intersecting, therefore from here draw again one more arc like this. Now it is intersecting. Then you have to join these 2 points and this is the intersecting point here, and this point is A, and now you have to join these 2 points A and C. So this is required triangle ABC. Now let us verify this AC minus AB is equal to 4 centimeter. So let us measure the distance of AC. Here this is 5.8. So AC is equal to 5.8. So this is 5.8 minus. Then let us verify this AB. This is 1.8. AB is equal to 1.8. 1.8. If we subtract this AC minus AB, so 5.8 minus 1.8, so 8 minus 8 is 0. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So these are the steps for second case. So first step is draw base BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Second step is draw angle B is equal to 40 degree. Let the ray be BX. So these are the same steps for case 1 and case 2. For third step, cut the line segment BD equal to AC minus AB from the ray BX extended on opposite side of line segment BC. Only third step is different here. Then fourth step is join DC. Then fifth step is Draw the perpendicular bisector of DC. After drawing this perpendicular bisector, let it intersect this BX at point E. Then seventh step is join AC, and therefore the required triangle is ABC. So which I have used color here. For this construction 11.5, there are two cases. Case 1 is AB is greater than AC, and case 2 is AB is less than AC. So case 1, AB is greater than AC means AB we got the distance of 13.3 here and AC is 9.3, which is AB is greater than AC. And for the second case, AB is less than AC, we got the distance of AB as 1.8 and AC is 5.8, which means AB is less than AC. Only you have to remember, when AB is greater than AC means this side is greater than this side, then you have to draw this 4 centimeter above the base, means base BC. So you have to draw this 4 centimeter above the base BC. And if AB is less than AC, then you have to draw this 4 centimeter, this AC minus AB is equal to 4 centimeter below the base BC. Thank you for watching my video. For better understanding examples related to 11.5 construction, do watch my next video. Do like, comment, share, and please do subscribe to my channel.